a computer game developer who wants to use a music clip, a television company that wants to broadcast a classic from its archive with tens of hundreds of permissions to clear, or a film company that wants to produce a DVD remaster of a cult classic. And time and money that it all takes, we need to move to much quicker decisions. Consumers don't know how the system works either. If you've got a young child, can you make a copy of their favourite DVD in case they decide to scratch or eat it? You can understand that I've got a 4-year-old. Can one of my constituents in Tottenham sample and remix to create a grime record for their friends to play at a party at home? Can an urban artist reproduce a famous painting that is still in copyright? Some copyright lawyers may know the answer to that, but consumers don't. So we've learned these problems exist. The question is, what are we now going to do about it? And to know where the answers lie, we need to know what the outcome might look like. This is the way I see things. I want a world where the rules make sense, where these rules are more of a help than a hindrance, and where the rules are fair. Artists, musicians, and writers won't sign away their rights in their works for a pittance when faced with incomprehensible super contracts. They will have the power to just say no. Libraries and archives will be able to preserve the works of today for our future generations, and this unlocks for our great cultural heritage a huge possibility in the 21st century. And I want a world where rights holders will be paid for their efforts. That's a no-brainer. Few would go to work and not want to get paid for it. I want a world where my own children can surf the net without being copyright lawyers, knowing what they can rather than what they can't do. I want to see a world where there is clarity, fairness, and just reward. And this is not about copying for an amateur world. It's about reward and recognition without stifling creativity.